Every day, millions of people open a colorful packet of Lay's. Crunch. But have you ever wondered where that perfect chip really comes from? This is not just a snack. This is a journey from soil to shelf. Our story starts on vast potato farms. Not every potato can become a Lay's chip. Farmers grow special chip-grade potato varieties that are rich in starch and low in sugar. The soil is carefully prepared. Seeds are planted in neat rows. With the right balance of sunlight, water, and nutrients, potatoes grow underground for 90 to 120 days. When the plants turn yellow, it's harvest time. Machines gently dig into the soil and lift thousands of potatoes every hour. Farm workers inspect them on the spot. Damaged or undersized potatoes are rejected immediately. Only perfect, healthy potatoes move forward. Freshly harvested potatoes are loaded into trucks. These trucks rush them to Lay's processing plants to keep them fresh. Time is critical. The fresher the potato, the better the crunch. Inside the factory, potatoes enter massive washing drums. High-pressure water removes soil, dust, and impurities. Rotating brushes scrub each potato until it shines clean. Cleanliness is everything. Advanced cameras scan every potato. Any potato with defects, dark spots, or wrong size is automatically removed. Only A-grade potatoes continue the journey. The selected potatoes move into steam peelers. High-temperature steam loosens the skin. A quick burst of pressure removes the peel. No knives, no waste, just efficiency. Potatoes are sliced at lightning speed by razor-sharp blades. Each slice is cut to the exact thickness required for Lay's chips. This ensures even cooking and consistent crunch. Fresh potato slices are washed again. This removes excess starch that could affect texture and color. Clear water flows continuously, keeping slices fresh and white. The slices now enter giant industrial fryers. They're fried in high-quality vegetable oil at controlled temperatures. In just 2 to 3 minutes, raw potato slices transform into golden chip. Now comes taste. Chips enter rotating drums where seasoning is sprinkled evenly. Classic salted, masala, cheese, BBQ. Every chip gets the same perfect flavor. Before packing, chips go through one last inspection. Metal detectors and sensors ensure complete safety. Only flawless chips are approved. Chips are packed in airtight, nitrogen-filled packets. This keeps them fresh, light, and crunchy for months. Machines seal hundreds of packets every minute. Packed chips are boxed and shipped worldwide. From factories to warehouses, from warehouses to stores, finally reaching your hands. From a simple potato buried in soil to a crunchy snack loved across the globe. This is not just food. This is science, farming, technology, and precision, all inside one packet of Lay's. Next time you hear that crunch, remember the journey.